Hi friends, today we are solving an interesting exponential equation. The equation is this: 3 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 12 to the power of x equals 1819, where x is restricted to be a natural number. To begin with, let me rewrite the equation as follows, changing this third term as 3 multiplied by 4 to the power of x equals 1819. That implies 3 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus, using the law of index, let's distribute x to both the terms. You have this 3 to the power of x, 4 to the power of x equals 1819. We are making use of this law of index. AB to the power n equal a to the power of n, b to the power of n. Now this equation, let me write the third term as the second one, and you will have 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x, 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x equals 1819. Look at these two terms. You can see 3 to the power of x being common. So let me factor it out. You will have 3 to the power of x. Here you have 1. In the second term 4x plus the other term as it is. You have this. Now let's write the left side of the equation as product of two exponential expressions. For that, you have 4 to the power of x plus 1 here. Just add 1 to both sides of the equation and you will get this. 3 to the power of x, 4 to the power of x plus 1. I'm interchanging these two. Plus 4 to the power of x plus 1. I'm adding 1 to both sides of the equation. And the right side will be 1819 plus 1. Okay. Now let me put a bracket here. See, there are two terms where you see 4 to the power of x plus 1 being common. Again, let me factor it out. You will have 4 to the power of x plus 1. Then inside 3 to the power of x plus 1. That 1 is this multiplied by 1 equals 1820. Now we know that x is a positive integer. That's what is given in the equation to be solved. So what you can do is you write the right side number as a product of positive integers. Okay, let me factorize 1820. See, 1820 dividing by 10, you get 182. Again to 91. 13 will go here. 7. So 1820, you can write it as 10 is 2 multiplied by 5. Then 2, 13, 7. Now let's combine these numbers in a certain manner. Okay, let me combine these two. 5 multiplied by 13 is 65. Then these two I will combine. That will come to 4 multiplied by 7, 28. There's a reason for rearranging the terms this way because as you know, 1 more than a perfect cube and 28 is also 1 more than a perfect cube. So the given equation may be rewritten as equals 65 multiplied by 28. Now equate this to 65, second term to 28. So 4x plus 1 equal to 65 and 3x plus 1 equal to 28. Take 1 to the right side, it will be minus. Here also 3 to the power of x equal to 28 minus 1. This again on simplification 4 to the power of x equal to 64, which is again equal to 4 to the power of 3. Now you have the same base. We will equate the powers. You get x equal to 3. Doing the same thing here, x to 3. You have again x equal to 3. So the solution is, final solution is x equal to 3. Now let me verify whether this solution is correct. For that, let me rewrite the left side of the equation, which is 3 to the power of x, 4 to the power of x, plus 12 to the power of x. This equals, putting x equal to 3, you have 3 to the power of 3, plus 4 to the power of 3, plus 12 to the power of 3. This is 27, 64. 12 to the power of 3 is 1728. Now, let me add these numbers. 1728, 64, 27. This is 9181. And 1819 was the right side of the equation. So the solution we got is correct. If there is any specific point you want me to clarify further, leave your remarks in the comments below. And if you have found the solution helpful, please help grow the channel by subscribing to it. Also, don't forget to press the like button and all the bell icon so that you will be getting notifications of my other videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.